Hello guys, so I just want to show you this hair. My hair is freshly washed and I'm going to go for a center part. So I'm going to separate my hair in the middle like so, and I try so much to get a straight part. I don't know, I don't usually get it straight, but I will try my best here. So yeah, after getting the center part, I'm going to trace the remaining part of the hair back towards the back, and I'm going to set that aside so that I work with the other section. So I'm trying to see if I can do some little baby hairs at the end of the video if it's possible. So I'm using Eco Styler gel and my hair is damp. Like I say, I just washed it, so I'm going to start applying little on the root from the back. I'm just going to use my finger to separate, and then just add a little bit of Eco Styler. This is very simple, but this is like my good to go, that my best way of applying gel for a sleek bun. And I just want to share with you guys. You can see how my hair is responding, like the way my hair is just responding to this gel, like it's so serious, like so. And I'm going to just keep adding in sections like this, then you see the result, and I'll come back to you again. So after I finish adding on this section, I begin to use my brush to brush back. I'm using the wider brush first, to brush down, make sure that everything comes together. And then I'm going to use my hand to smoothen it out also. Then I now add some gel to the edge of it. Then I'm going to get my soft bristle brush, then I try to go over everything again, and this kind of make the hair to really lock into the gel and lay flat. Then after that, I'm going to get a bubble and going to put this hair aside. Then I'll go ahead to the other side and repeat the same process. So now I'm putting both of the two sections I made into one bun, and I'm doing this very low to the back. You can see how everything got packed up. My hair looks like relaxed hair, and I really like this method. Once the gel touch your scalp, the remaining part of your hair will just answer, like it will just respect you and just go sleek. You can see. So I'm going to, use a bubble and hold it down firmly, and I want to go over it also with a bristle brush again, and I keep using my palm to press it on. This works magic. Just in case you don't have bristle brush, you can use your palm, to get it down. You can see how flat and how smooth my hair looks. I really like this method. I tried this once, which I wasn't filming, and it came out really nice, and I'm like, oh, why don't I just share this? Because I get lots of questions from people asking me how I can do this. Though I have other videos, I just wanted to show you this new method I found, and I really like it. So now I'm just trying to do a little bit of baby hair, nothing major. If you already know me, you know that I'm not a baby hair person. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little bit of it. Who will see this hair and not think that I'm like maybe permed or something? So I'm going to go ahead and use a mousse. You can use any mousse you have. I think what I just use is the olive oil mousse. So I'm going to use this to just set it down like so. Then the next thing for me to do is to go ahead and tie it with like a scarf, and I'm going to wait for like 2 to 3 hours. And if you have like a dryer, you can sit under it, and it will make it fast for you, like for like 30 minutes. So I'm back now, and guys, see how amazing my hair is. Dry and it's really nice. I think adding a little bit of mousse at the end gave it some little bit of white residues, but I found out that I could just apply some oil on it and it will disappear. So now I'm going to use this hair. It's a crochet hair. Got this a long time ago, and I wanted to crochet my hair, but now I just needed to just use this as my bun. So I'm going to get the two bundles, and I'm going to put it together through this bubble, and I'm just going to hang it tight on the head, and that is all, guys. I'm not going to really do any serious thing. I make sure that it's secured and it's firm, like that. Then I flip it over, and yeah, this is the style, and I am good to go. So yeah, guys, this is all for this video, and this hairstyle is fine, it's bomb. I really love it, and I hope you like this too. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much, guys, for watching this video. One love, bye.